So Spirit wants me to pull a card. This card is for you. You know who you are. Ooh, step into your power. This card is for you. If you're listening, this card is for you. It's time to, this is what Spirit is dropping in my heart right now. It is time for you to step into your power. It's time to unleash your light, shine your light bright. Be bold. Take those steps. Dance. Dance. Step into your power. Know that you were made for a specific purpose, for this very time. Connect with the universe, God, Source. Let your light shine bright, so bright that the world needs sunglasses. Step into your power. Oh my gosh. Get going. Start stepping.